Hi guys, TB here. I want to show you my latest plugin and how to use it. So this is called Mirror Media Slider. So it allows to add images or videos. Where is the video? I also have an example of the video here. Also to distort as when the mouse moves, and also distort the RGB colors. And when dragged, it will add a trail, this trail at the top. Well, these are all optionals. If you want, you can just use a simple slider, but this is the main idea of this slider. So also it has lightbox support. When an image is clicked, you can open the lightbox with YouTube, Vimeo, HLS, password protected, MP3, Google Maps, images. So pretty much I cover everything here that you can display in a lightbox. Sorry. So there are 12 presets here. This is the basic preset. So this one doesn't have the flow map distortion, just the animation at the top. This one shows that it's possible to have different images ratio. So in this case, portrait. This one it's non-infinite, so you can have if you want. Oh, we can also click on the meshes here to center them. So this is non-infinite. This is another one that I liked, and I decided to keep it here. It's a twirl, so it's displayed like this, like a twirl thing, and also has the on top the mirror thing. This is smaller images, and also there is a preset called black and white. You can the meshes add farther from the center. They are black and white, the desaturated. This has this noise post processing on the edges. It's also cool. This has simple flow map distortion, so it doesn't have any RGB distortion, just the flow map. And this one also has RGB shift distortion, and as well liquid distortion on the meshes as well. As you can see, it distorts the images as well. So this has all the presets. In the JavaScript version, you'll receive a file for each of these presets. You can just copy and paste the HTML in your page, and it's done. You can see, you can have your site on your page. But in WordPress is different, so I'll show you how to use in WordPress. I already done here a test. So let's go to mirror. Where is it? So here are the presets that I told you about. See, there are 8 presets, so you can choose the one that you want. I'll just select the first one, and here you can change settings like the width of the slider, the height, background color, and all other features related to the slider, which I'll not go into detail because they are self-explanatory. There is no point to go into all of this one. You don't really need to change anything here, only if you want to. This is the post-processing tab. This is the flow map tab, the same idea, the lightbox. If you make a change, don't forget to update the preset. And now you have to create a gallery. I already have this one, but I will delete it, and let's start fresh. I'll call it test. If you want for reference, you can add an image here visually to know which gallery you have. I'll select one. I'll just add an image. Sorry. If you want a caption under the image, you can just paste this here. Copy and paste here. Only replace this part. These classes, caption title and caption description, are in the global file, global CSS file. If you want to change the size, colors, you can just go there and edit it. We'll keep this simple. Let's add a new one. Actually, let's add these rows. I'll not add any caption. And for this one, I'll just add a link. When the image is clicked, we'll open a link. I'll just open my website with a blank target. And let's add another one with the lightbox. Okay, let's select, I don't know, this one. And in the lightbox, when an image is clicked, we'll open the lightbox with the same image. And also let's add the caption here, the same idea, just copy this and paste it. So this is the, oh come on, the lightbox caption, not the image caption. Okay, update gallery, and now we have our gallery here. So if you want to create more gallery, just add a new one, 2, whatever, and you have a new gallery, and you can add here your items. So now this is empty, this has our items. I will delete this because I don't want it. And now let's go to a page. I already tested here. Let's edit this page for simplicity. And select from the left side, from the right side in the bar, you select the preset that you want and the gallery. Now we have only one gallery here, but if you have more, they will appear in the select box here. Select select all the preset and copy it and paste it here. So this is all that you need to do. If you are using Elementor or some other type of builder, all you have to do is paste the shortcode in the builder block, shortcode block. And I will show you also WooCommerce as well soon. Let's save. Try it. Now my team, it's let me change the theme here, appearance, because this is making things really small. Which one? I think this one. And now if I refresh, I should have, yeah, this is bigger. So we have our 3 images here. This one I don't remember. This is the lightbox. You can see here's the title and description, the caption. This one I don't know which one. This one does nothing, no, nothing, and this one is the link. If I click it, it will open my page. Okay, now in WooCommerce, the same idea with the shortcode. Just grab it from the right side, select again the preset and the gallery, copy it and paste it anywhere in the product description. Do not add it in the excerpt. So remember, in the product description, update it and then preview it, and here it is. Yeah, so it will replace the default thumbnail captions. So this is it. This is what I wanted to show you. I really enjoyed this project. I've seen this in a video tutorial of someone who created a similar effect here with this post-processing effect of this trail thing, and I really like it, and it was extremely difficult to figure this out. It requires some ping pong render target. It's crazy to create this effect, but I did it, and I decided to create a slider from it because this is what I do. I'm a creative developer. This is the type of projects that I like to code and develop and invent, and I don't know how to say. So yeah, I will shut up. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.